Hello guys, for today's video, mag-unbox po tayo ng Shopee. Tignan natin ito kung ano. Nilalaman ng guys, kasi mayroon na instruction kung paano mo gawin. Ayan. Yan lang guys. Goodbye.